Hi guys, this is Yug from Big Faction. So today we will learn about the importance of SMO, social media optimization. So let's begin. Why social media optimization is important? Not most of us realize that social media possesses infinite potential to increase the sales of a business when strategized correctly. One of the methods is optimizing social media content for better reach and engagement. Why SMO is important? Number one, improve the online reputation of your business. It helps in instilling faith in your brand through optimized social media content. Number two, facilitate communication between the company and the customer. Having quality audience as followed on social media profiles of the company can help in better and useful communication between both parties. Many of these followers can be potential customers. A direct and time-efficient conversation is possible through social media platforms. Number three, get to know your customers better. Targeting social media accounts of clients based on what type of content is being preferred by them on different platforms helps in providing deeper knowledge about preferences of consumers. How to optimize social media? Number one, optimize the titles of content. Number two, update the information on your social profiles. Number three, use the images and videos which are suitable for each social network. Number four, find out the best days and times to post. To watch more content like this, please click on the red button below. And definitely don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching.